Guys, you're welcome back to Goki Item. So please, if you're unable to complete this video because of the platform you are watching from, please kindly go to YouTube and complete it. It's same name, Goki Item. You understand? So just type at Goki Item. You see all of our videos there. Thank you very much. And if you love the video, you can kindly subscribe for more videos and information. So let's continue from where we stopped. So you just do as usual, use your text editor. We are going to writing script on if you want to scan, let's say you want to scan a virtual machine or you want to scan a machine. Instead of you wasting more, instead of you every time you are writing, you are writing commands on how to scan, you can just write a script for yourself, and whenever you want to scan a particular port number, you can use it for whatever thing you want. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be writing it now. So you can see these are the ones, this is scripts you write. So from here, normal echo type you, so you read, please enter your IP address, read IP. The way we explain it initially, your IP becomes a variable, whatever thing you put here, the same. But the only difference here is the nmap here. Nmap is a tool that I use to scan for IP address. So the STL means you are using a TCP connection. You understand? You are using a TCP connection. Means you can still use a UDP. Or maybe you want to do a pin sweep whereby you get just the lively host in that network, the lively devices or host in that network. So you can use either it's XN, but make sure that if it's a TCP connection, let it be full capital letter T with this minus sign here. So you can see, so some of the stuff we don't need more, we are moving it to dev now, which is some of the things that we don't need, some stuff that obstructive stuff, we move it to dev now, then we save it as script 3. You understand? I save it as script 3. Then you cast script 3 means you show once you are, this one here means after scanning, uh, show me. I don't need to go and be uh, this is like an automatic show. I don't need to go back to cards, you see why this is script. When you write script, it automates your task. You understand? So it will show you after scanning. Grep here means okay, there's a particular port number I'm scanning. Okay, grep the open port for me. You understand? Check for me if there's a port here that is open. You understand? Check if the particular port that I'm scanning is open. You understand? Or not. You understand? Either closed. If it's closed, it will return you error message. If it's open, it will return you. It will show you open. You understand? So this script here, so this one too here is optional. You can just leave it here so that it will just scan the whole stuff, the whole port, scan the port and tell you that it's closed or open. But here I'm telling, then script, save it. Once you are done, save it for me as script 4. You understand? So it's just too easy. So you now show me what is in script 4, which is the open port of the port number that I am typing, or I typed, or I'm looking for, I'm scanning. So I'll just save here, come here, save. So I'll save it the same normal usual techniques we use. I'll save it as script 5. On here, we just focus on this current directory here. So that you do not gonna be scanning what is in the other script 5. Because so it's focused on this directory. So it will ask me what is my IP. So I'll put the IP. Let me check the IP. So this is the IP of the machine I'm scanning. You can see this is a network interface. This is a IP address I'm scanning. So I'll put 192. Okay, what is this? It's 10.4.3.10.4.3.172. So the IP address is 10.43 10.4 1043, wait, let me check again. 10143172. 10, sorry, 10.143.172.131. So here is the net, from here to here is the network address, while this one is the IP address of the machine. So I click enter. So it will ask for my which port number I want to scan. So I want to scan port 80. Let's see if port 80 is available and if it's open. So what is my last update? So I click here. So from the IP address, I already know that this one is a class C IP address. You understand? It's a class C IP address. Um so definitely it will be 255. You understand? Because the subnet mask will be 255. 255.255.255.0. So the last octet here will be 255. So 2255. So it's beginning to scan now. So let's give it some time. So you can see it has finished scanning. So it said the host I scan is 10. This is host I scan, which is this virtual machine here. It said I scan port 80. You can see here, you can see it said I use the TCP connection. You see HTTP, you understand? You see it's an HTTP, which HTTP. So you can see HTTP, a web service browser, you understand, port 80, you understand. So, you know, meaning that I can use this port 80 to connect to the internet, you understand. So this virtual machine here is open. So if I want, I can connect to this virtual machine, you understand, via this port 80. Uh, so let me see something, let me check something. Uh, so this port 80 is open, so that means I can connect to the virtual machine via this port 80. So